Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. For those who have not subscribed to my channel till now, should subscribe immediately, and it is very useful for you to learn Python. In this video, I will briefly explain about operators in Python. It is very important for Anna University students, and also it is a repeated question. Please concentrate and try to understand. Please watch the video till end. Here the definition for operators and operands. An operator is a symbol that represents an operation that may be performed on one or more operands. I repeat again. An operator is a symbol that represents an operation that may be performed on one or more operands. Next, what is operands? The value that the operator operates on is called the operand. Here the example for operators and operand. X equal to A plus B, where X, A, B are operands. Equal to and plus are operators. Next, the classification of operators. The various operators in Python are unary operators, binary operators. There are more subdivisions in binary operators. That is arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, assignment operators, special operators. There are again two subdivisions in special operators, that is identity operators, membership operators. Next, unary operators. The unary operators operate on only one operand. Unary operators usually precede their single operand. The main keyword in this topic is unary operators operates on only one operand. The operators in unary operators are unary plus, unary minus and bitwise inverse. The unary plus and unary minus operators are used to provide a sign to the operands. Example, plus 6 and minus 9. The bitwise inverse operator changes every bit. For example, 0 becomes 1 and 1 becomes 0. Since it is the way to negative numbers are stored in the computer, it changes a positive value to negative and negative value to positive. The binary operators operate on two operands. The binary operators are in Python are grouped into 6 operators. First, the arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. The arithmetic operators in Python are as follows: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, remainder, floor division and exponent. Here are the example for these. Floor division is denoted by the double slash, providing a truncated result based on the type of operands applied to. Next, relational operators. What is relational operators? The operators used to do comparisons are called relational operators. These operators always result in Boolean value like a true or false. The relational operators are also called comparison operators. Please note it down. Relational operators are also called comparison operators. The main keyword in this topic is the operators used to do comparison are called relational operators. In Python, non-zero value is treated as a true and zero value is treated as a false. Here the relational operators greater than. True if left operand is greater than the right operand. Next, less than. True if left operand is less than the right. Equal to. True if both operands are true. Next, not equal to operator. True if both the operands are not equal to. Next, greater than or equal to operator. True if left operand is greater than or equal to the right. Next operator is less than or equal to. True if both operand is less than or equal to the right operand. Next, logical operators. What is logical operators? Logical operators are used to logically relate the sub-expressions. Logical operators are and, or, and not operators. The logical operators are operated according to the truth tables. Here the logical there are some logical operators in Python, or and, or not. So the AND operator represent true if both the operands are true. OR operator represents true if either of the operands are true. Either or the operands are true, not. NOR operator represent true if operand is false. There is some example for logical operators. Next, bitwise operators. Decimal numbers are natural to human, whereas the binary numbers are native to computers. Bitwise operators work with the bits of binary numbers. It operates bit by bit. Please note it down. It operates bit by bit. Here the some operators in bitwise operators, that is bitwise and bitwise or bitwise not, bitwise XOR, and bitwise right shift and bitwise left shift. Next, assignment operators. Assignment operators are used to assign values to the variables. For example, a equal to 15 is a simple assignment operator that assign a value 15 on the right to the variable a on the left. The assignment operators in Python are given below, given in the slide. Some of the operators I have mentioned one here. The first operator is equal to, x equal to 5. It is equivalent to x equal to 5. Next, plus equal to. The meaning of this operator is x plus equal to 5. It is equivalent to x equal to x plus 5. Next, minus equal to. The meaning of this operator is x minus equal to 5. It is equivalent to x equal to x minus 5. Like that. Next, special operators. What is special operators? Python language offers some special types of operators. There are identity operators and membership operators. What is identity operators? Is and is not are identity operators in Python. They are used to check whether the two values are located on the same part of the memory or not. I repeat again, don't confuse it. They are used to check whether two values are located on the same part of the memory or not. Two variables that are equal does not imply that they are identical. Next, membership operators. Membership operators are in and not in are the membership operators in Python. They are used to test whether the value or a variable found in the sequence. I repeat again, they are used to test whether the value or variable found in the sequence. In dictionary, they test for the presence of key not in the value. Here the operators in identity operators and membership operators. In identity operators, the operator is. The meaning of this is true if operands are identical. Next, is not. True if operands are not in. Next, membership operators. There are two operators in membership operators, that is in and not in. The operator in indicates true if value or variable is found in the sequence. Next, not in. It is indicate true if value or variable not found in the sequence. Thank you for watching this video. If any comments, please post it on comment box. Thank you.